Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Do you know the difference floor এবং ground, opportunity and possibility? Today I am going to show you 12 confusing nouns and how to use them properly. Pair 1. Floor and ground. Floor is inside a building. Ground is the earth outside. I dropped my phone on the floor. She fell to the ground. Pair 2. Journey and trip. Journey is the process of traveling. Trip is the experience. I can say it was a long journey. My trips to Paris was amazing. Pair 3. Opportunity and possibility. Opportunity is a chance to do something. Possibility is something that could happen. I can say this job is a great opportunity. There is a possibility of rain. Pair 4. Receipt and recipe. Receipt proves a purchase. Recipe shows how to cook something. I can say keep the receipt for a refund. I followed a new pasta recipe. Pair 5. History and story. History is a real past event. Story can be real or imaginary. I can say World War Will is history. He told a funny story. Pair 6. Shade and shadow. Shade is a cool, darker area. Shadow is a dark shape made by light. I can say, let's sit in the shade. Look at your shadow. Confused? Watch again and comment which one tricks you the most. So, like, share and follow or more smart grammar tips. Thank you very much.